Have you ever wondered what happens to your DNA when you receive a blood transfusion? It's a fascinating question. We know that DNA is the blueprint of life. It determines our unique characteristics, from the color of our eyes to our risk of certain diseases. So it's natural to wonder if receiving someone else's blood could somehow alter our own genetic makeup. The short answer is no. Your DNA doesn't change after a blood transfusion. Let's delve into the amazing world of blood to understand why. Our blood is a complex mixture of cells and plasma, each playing a vital role in keeping us alive and healthy. Think of it as a bustling city with different characters playing important roles, each contributing to the overall function and well-being of the body. Red blood cells are like delivery trucks, transporting oxygen throughout the body. They pick up oxygen from the lungs and deliver it to tissues and organs, ensuring they function properly. White blood cells are the city's police force, patrolling and protecting us from infections. They identify and destroy harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses, keeping us safe from diseases. Platelets are like tiny construction crews, always ready to patch up any cuts or wounds. They gather at the site of an injury to form clots and stop bleeding, preventing further damage. And finally, plasma is the liquid medium that carries all these cells and other essential nutrients. It transports hormones, proteins, and waste products, ensuring everything reaches its destination. Each component of blood has a specific job to do, working together in harmony to maintain our health and vitality. But here's a key fact. Not all blood cells contain DNA. Red blood cells, for instance, lose their nuclei as they mature, allowing more space to carry oxygen. Red blood cells, the most abundant cells in our blood, are actually quite unique. Unlike most other cells in our body, they lack a nucleus. The nucleus is like the control center of a cell, and it's where DNA is stored. Since red blood cells don't have nuclei, they don't contain any DNA. This might seem strange, but it's actually a clever adaptation. Without a nucleus, red blood cells have more space to carry oxygen, making them incredibly efficient oxygen transporters. So when you receive a blood transfusion, you're mainly receiving these DNA-free red blood cells. Now, what about white blood cells? These tiny warriors are crucial to our body's defense system. They do have nuclei and therefore contain DNA. This DNA is essential for their function and ability to recognize and combat threats. But don't worry, the donor's white blood cells don't stick around in your body for long. They are quickly identified and dealt with by your own immune system. Your immune system is always on high alert, recognizing and destroying any foreign cells, including those from a blood transfusion. This constant vigilance is what keeps us healthy. This is a good thing. It means our bodies are always ready to fight off potential infections and diseases. It's how our bodies protect us from infections. Without this system, we would be vulnerable to countless pathogens. Think of it like this. Your immune system is like a vigilant security guard. It patrols your body, always on the lookout for intruders. It checks the ID of everyone entering the body. This ensures that only the right cells are allowed to stay. If it encounters a cell with unfamiliar DNA, it quickly escorts it out. This process is vital for maintaining our health and well-being. So, to sum it all up, blood transfusions are like a vital delivery service. They act as a lifeline, ensuring that your body gets the essential components it needs to function properly. They replenish your body's supply of red blood cells, which are essential for carrying oxygen. These cells travel through your bloodstream, delivering oxygen to every part of your body, ensuring that your organs and tissues can perform their functions efficiently. They don't change your DNA because red blood cells lack DNA, and any donor white blood cells are quickly removed by your immune system. This means that while the transfusion provides necessary components, it doesn't alter your genetic makeup in any way. It's important to remember that blood donation is a truly selfless act. Donors give a part of themselves to help others, often saving lives in the process. The act of donating blood is a powerful reminder of our shared humanity and the impact we can have on each other's lives. It's a gift of life that helps countless people in need. From accident victims to those undergoing surgery, blood transfusions are a critical component of modern medicine, providing hope and healing to those in dire situations. The human body is an incredible machine, and understanding how blood transfusions work reminds us of the power of science and the importance of helping others. It's a testament to human ingenuity and compassion, showcasing how we can come together to support one another in times of need.